Dear children, today we will be doing exercise 9. Let us see the calculation part of exercise 9. Bhadresh and Hiral are the partners of a firm. Their profit loss sharing ratio is 3 is to 2. On 1/4/2016, total capital of partners was 4,20,000. The proportion of their fixed capital is 4 is to 3. So the first calculation is capital proportion, opening capital divided amongst the partners in their capital proportion. Bhadresh 4,20,000 into 4 by 7. So 2,40,000. Hiral 4,20,000 into 3 by 7. 1,80,000. So this is 4 is to 3. Now next one, the information given to us is, on this day, balances of their current accounts are as follows. Bhadresh 36,000 credit and Hiral 24,000 debit. As per partnership deed, per annum, 12% interest is payable on the capital of the partners. 12% interest on capital of partners. So our next calculation is interest on capital. Now, Bhadresh, as per the capital proportion we have already found out in the first calculation, Bhadresh's capital 2,40,000 and Hiral's it is 1,80,000. So now based on this capital we will calculate interest on capital at the rate of 12%. So for Bhadresh it is 2,40,000 into 12% comes to 28,800, and for Hiral 1,80,000 into 12% comes to 21,600. So this is the calculation for interest on capital. So first we found out capital according to the proportion. Second calculation is interest on capital. Now next, what is given in question is, provide per annum 10% interest on opening balances of current accounts. Provide per annum 10% interest. So now the third point of calculation in this question is interest on current balances at the rate of 10%. Now for Bhadresh, the balance given is credit balance 36,000 in the question. So 36,000 is 10%, 3,600. And for Hiral it is given 24,000 debit. So 24,000 into 10%, 2,400. So this is the calculation for interest on current balance. So we have completed three different calculations. Now let us see next what is given in the question. Per annum 12% interest is to be charged on drawings. So now the next calculation what we will be doing is interest on drawings. Interest on drawings 12%. So now here for Bhadresh it is, now for this we have to see that when Bhadresh is withdrawing cash. So on 1/10/2016 Bhadresh has withdrawn 36,000. So 1/10, that is October. So it comes to around 6 months. So now 36,000 into 12% interest into 6 by 12. So it is 2,160. And for Hiral it is, Hiral has withdrawn rupees 48,000 on 1/1/2017. So it comes to 3 months. So 48,000 into 12 by 100 into 3 by 12. So we get 1,140. Now next calculation is for salary. Let us see what is the information given here. Charged on drawings and then 2,400 per month as salary payable to Bhadresh. So Bhadresh salary 2,400 per month. So we have to calculate for the whole year, that is into 12 months. 2,400 into 12 comes to 28,800. Now next one is the calculation for commission. The information given here is 10% commission on net profit is payable to Hiral from net profit, but after deduction of such share from net profit. Before consideration of the above mentioned adjustments, the profit of the year is 4,06,800. Now here, as we are given the as we are given the information that commission has to be calculated after deduction of such commission. So here we will be calculating commission to Hiral, that is 4,12,800 minus 82,800 comes to 3,30,000, and based on that 3,30,000 we will be calculating. So here 4,12,800 minus 82,800. So and applying the formula, that is profit before commission into percentage of commission by 100 plus percentage of commission. So 3,30,000 into 10 by 110, that is equal to 30,000. Next is as per the calculation, that is divisible profit calculation. So now let us see the pro forma of profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account, how to prepare for this question based on these calculations what we have prepared. Now let us see the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account for this question after explaining the calculation part. Now we start with interest on capital, what we have calculated already. So 28,800 and 21,600, 50,400. Then on the debit side is interest on current account of Bhadresh 3,600. These all calculations we have already done. Salary, that is for 12 months for Bhadresh 28,800. Now here it is commission 30,000. Now we had calculated it on the when we were doing the calculation part. Now here 30,000. Now let us see from where this amount has come, otherwise how we have calculated the commission amount. That is 3,30,000 10 by 110. So now let us see from where we got 3,30,000. This is the difference between the credit side and the debit side. So here in the credit side, when we post the items, that is by P&L account profit 4,06,800, then interest on drawings Bhadresh and Hiral 3,600, and interest on current account of Hiral 2,400. So these calculations we have already seen. Now the total of the credit side is 4,12,800. So 4,12,800 minus 82,800, that is the total of the debit side. 50,400 plus 3,600 plus 28,800. So that will give you the balance, that is 3,30,000. So based on that 3,30,000 we have calculated commission 30,000. So that is also debited to profit and loss appropriation account, commission to Hiral 30,000. Then we balance the account by taking out the balance. We get 3 lakh as profit, divisible profit as per the profit and loss sharing ratio. Now let us see partners current account. Next what we are going to prepare is partners capital account with the opening balances 2,40,000 and 1,80,000. To balance carried down 2,40,000, 1,80,000, and by balance brought down 2,40,000 and 1,80,000. So we close the partners capital account. Now next posting comes in partners current account. So now 1,416 to balance brought down Hiral 24,000. 1,1016 to drawings account 36,000. Again to drawings account for Hiral 48,000. Then to interest on current account in Hiral 2,400. 31,317 to interest on drawings account for both 2,160 and 1,440. Next on 31st, this now we close the account with these balance. Now here by balance brought down 36,000, interest on capital account 28,800 and 21,600. Interest on current account for Bhadresh it is 3,600. Then salary account for Bhadresh for 12 months 28,800, and commission what we calculated for here it is 30,000, and from P&L appropriation account we take out the balance 1,80,000 and 1,20,000, and we close the partner's current account with the balances. To balance carried down here for Bhadresh it is 2,39,040, and for Hiral it is 95,760. So this is how we complete the sum along with the calculation. Please do write it down in your notebook and complete exercise 9.